Do you ever come across a train when you're driving in a big hurry? YouTube, I'm on the road right now. Headed up to Almont, Michigan. I got my cylinder here, and I'm gonna run up there and get the cylinder rebored. I'm tired of shit right now. I didn't sleep at all last night, and I had to work 8 a.m. to 4:30, and I just went right on the road to head up to Almont. It's about 2 hours away from where I live, and I got about an hour 20 minutes from here, and traffic is just awful. So everyone, it's getting dark now. I'm on my way back. I dropped off my cylinder. They're going to do the reboring 1mm. It was at 72, now it's going to be at 73. I ordered a Nomura piston, which I'm not too fond of, but they're cheaper, and I'm going to replace it with a Wisco by the time winter comes anyways. So I'm on my way back home right now. It'll be about an hour. I also got some oil mix, 2-stroke mix for gas, and yeah, I'm all set. I have everything I need. All I need is to pick up my gaskets from the dealer that I ordered them from, and then after that, all I'm gonna need is gas. Good old 93 octane gas. That's all I got for now. I'll upload this video probably Friday, tomorrow. It's Thursday right now, Thursday night. I'm still tired of shit. I haven't slept. So, peace. So I screwed up in my last video. It's funny, I reviewed the footage and like my oil's leaking from the transmission in the Trailblazer, and I was wondering why I was doing that, and I was like, maybe I filled it up too much, maybe it just started to leak out to normal level. But then I looked at the footage and I saw, there we go. Oh, and it's in a bucket full of oil right now, so I'm gonna dig through that and find it. I know it's in there, so dug through the oil, found the washer, so I'm gonna put that back in, put new oil in it. I'm actually glad that happened because it cleaned out the transmission a little bit more. The fluid was black, even though it hasn't ran, and there were metal shavings on the magnet, so it cleaned it out a little more. Alright, so I did a lot of work yesterday without filming. What I did was I painted the bar here. Not a big deal. The sprocket was loose. I tightened that up and checked the brakes. Topped off the reservoir, and next thing I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to put fluid in the back and then bleed it because there's nothing in there, it's dry. And cleaned it up a little bit, connected electrical components, tested the dash lights and they work. So, get this bled. Check the crankshaft and the bearings. They passed the tests. The connecting rod passed the test. So, next Friday, I'm going to go up to the place that I always go to get cylinders rebored, I'm gonna get that rebored. It's 75 bucks. Piston's gonna probably be somewhere around $100. And I have my gaskets coming in on Tuesday, so we are getting very close to this being done. When Friday comes, I'll only need one part, and that'll be the piston. And then we'll gas her up and see how it runs. That's all I got for today. I put all the plastics back on just to see how all the mounting brackets worked, and it seems to be alright. I use zip ties on the corners here, and that seems to be fine. So, until next Friday, I'm out.
Shutterstock Music.